Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the H&M application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you are receiving various notifications from the H&M app on your device and you don't wish to receive them anymore, then in order to change this setting, just long press on the H&M application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. Once you tap on this button, you will be taken into the app info page for H&M. Tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. And now, once the application has been stopped, just tap on notifications underneath privacy. You will now see that the allow notifications toggle might be turned on. So simply tap on this button to set the toggle into off. And this will now turn off all notifications from the H&M application on your device. After this is turned off, you will not receive any notifications from the app anymore. And you can change this setting back on if you wish by following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the H&M app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.